Brands know that they need to change. It's been a couple years. I think we're all seeing an increase in business and opportunity with the companies that we work with. But there's a couple common barriers to making those changes, and it usually comes down to time and money. So when we look at this graph, people think new construction, there's a lot of barriers to that. They think, oh, I can remodel, it's kind of a mid-level cost project. But where we come in and where we have the solutions is in the refresh concept. And that's using the existing structures, it's using the existing space and just retrofitting it to fit their business needs. So framing it as a refresh in place of new construction or remodel just kind of helps you tell the story a little bit better. The trends in retail of multiple fulfillment options, online order pickups, those are no longer conveniences, they're expectations. 84% of people are expecting to be able to pick up an order inside the store. And we're seeing them start to spill out to the parking lots when you think about how you pick up your orders from Target or Aldi. The other thing in healthcare as a trend is we're seeing kind of across the board is sustainable products, and this message can go for any of these categories. The world is starting to ask for more sustainable, green, recycled, PVC-free products. And 3M as a corporation has sustainability as a corporate tenet. Going forward, all new products that are released across the board from any 3M division need to have a sustainability component. So consumers are starting to ask for it, manufacturers are starting to provide it, and so businesses are starting to buy it.